The demand for more knowledge and better alternatives to link and control improved sensors are being driven by problems with resources like water and energy, as well as growing awareness of safety, security, and efficiency. The solution to this will help create a smarter world. Global networks will eventually link trillions of wireless devices, enabling them to transmit and receive tens of thousands of messages per day. The globe will be connected via the Internet of Things, which will also bring many efficiencies and new commercial opportunities. SB Components is aware that the Internet of Things era is now in effect. To allow the Internet of Things, our objective is to standardize low-power wide area networks through our unique and highly innovative LoRa-based products and solutions. In our endeavor to continuously innovating new technological advances, we are now introducing Automation Kit based on LoRa and Pico. These kits are a revolutionary inventions by SB Components in the world of Internet of Things. To simplify our applications, we have 4-channel relay board based on LoRa and Raspberry Pi Pico, which is also known as RP2040. This relay board also comes with 8-channel relays. Another product in the kit is a USB dongle based on LoRa, which is equipped with 1.4-inch LCD. Our kit also has a Raspberry Pi hat based on LoRa. In various combinations or combined together, this automation kit is sure to steal the show